Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So I want you guys to look at this hair because this is the hair that we're going to be using today. Did y'all just see how quick my son got in the back? Oh my goodness. Anyways, we're going to be making a crochet wig. My name is Tamia, by the way. I will list the link to everything I used in this video below. But anyways, with these crochet locks, this is how the little hole looks. I'm going to go ahead and tell you, you kind of have to like make the hole bigger because it was just way too small for me. So I just went ahead and made the knots or the hole bigger. And then you're just going to crochet it on the cap just like you would crochet it on your hair. Alright y'all, and I apologize if I'm talking really fast. It's just that I forgot to do an intro, y'all. So I'm just trying to catch up with the video, girl. But anyways, these are called distressed locks. So they're distressed locks and they're 18 inches. So what I'm going to do here, y'all, is I'm going to crochet most of these packs onto the hair. So I think I ended up getting like 7 packs. No, not 7. I probably got like 6 packs. And I used two packs on like my actual hair, and then the rest is on the wig. And when you do this, you want to kind of space it out a little bit, just because you don't want them like directly on top of each other. That's just going to make it too heavy, and that's just really doing too much. But just fill up the crochet wig, y'all. Okay. All right, y'all. So, I'm sorry, I forgot what I was gonna say. Oh yeah. So when you get like toward the front, right, you want to go ahead and kind of crochet on the net that's, how can I explain it? You're gonna crochet on the net that's on the elastic band, but not through the elastic band. Like, you'll know what I'm talking about once you get this type of wig cap. And by the way, this is not the cheap wig cap. You know, some wig caps be like 99 cents. This one was like $1.99 because this is like for crochet wigs. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, you want to get the good kind so that it lasts when you make your wig. So now we just gonna tackle my hair. I've been using this hair lotion on Kai hair, y'all, and it works so good. So I'll be using it on my hair too. So I'm just gonna put it on my hair and just tangle my hair, y'all. I went to go get my hair washed like probably 2 days before I did this. And y'all, my new stylist is the bomb, okay? I never really had like a hairstylist like that because I always did my hair. But y'all, she is bomb. She gave me like a nice little steam treatment and everything. I love going to her and I'm gonna go back. So, I think that's it. But anyways, I'm also gonna get my ends cut because they all frail, fried up, and looking just burnt. Okay, so yeah. So now what I'm gonna do is just part out the front section, and the front section is actually where I'm going to be crocheting the hair into my head. Okay, and I will further explain it in a sec. But I'm going to go ahead and section off like a little square, and then this is just going to be one little plait. Alright, y'all, so now what you're going to do is just start to braid your hair, well, the rest of your hair going straight back. I hate braiding my hair, so I'm going to go ahead and tell y'all these going to be some funky, raunchy looking braids, okay? But what you want to do is the little plait that you had plaited before, just go ahead and grab that up and then just, plait the rest of your hair or whatever. So as you can see, my braids are going sideways, but it's okay. I hate braiding my hair, okay? So once I got the front braided, going like halfway back, I'm just going to join all the rest of my hair on one side. I'm going to join it all together and then braid it in like a French braid, like a just chunky braid, going straight back. So in the back, I'm going to have two chunky braids. Real easy and simple. All right, y'all. So now I have my hair braided, and I'm just gonna get the wig that I just made and kind of put it on just to see how I want it. Now, another thing about this type of wig cap, y'all, it is very durable, okay, and it's gonna stay on your head. So like when I'm just chilling around the house or something, I don't even like bobby pin it down. Like, but if I go out or something, I might throw like 3 bobby pins. But it's really secure to your head, okay? So yeah, I'm just putting it on just to kind of see how it's gonna look, how it's gonna go. And then you already know what I'm gonna do next. I'm gonna use these bobby pins to tack down my wig. And then after I use the bobby pins, I'm just gonna go in and actually crochet the front of my hair. And crocheting is super easy, but just like when I crocheted on the cap, you're gonna have to make the knots a little bit bigger because for some reason they made them so small. Okay, y'all, and here's a little tip on creating the wig. So in like the last little scene clip or whatever, you were able to see like a little net showing on the wig cap. So what you want to do is just make sure that you fill it in, wherever you feel it's thin or whatever. Just go ahead and use the rest of the hair that you have left over to fill it in. Now, even though my braids look really funky and ratchet, as you can see, she came out really cute. She is showing out. She is cute. And I love this style, y'all. And y'all, at night, I just take the back off and tie the front down. And that's it. I sleep comfortably, okay? And yeah, but this is a really cute and easy style that anybody can do. And I think that's all your girl got to say, okay? Like I said, I'm going to list the name of the locks below and a link to where you can purchase them below as well. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And before you go, I have new things that I added to my site. So enjoy this little video. It's going to show you the new items I have and shop slayqueens.com. The link will be below. Bye.